events like this are hugely important for the industry because it's very rare that as an industry we can all get together in one space. But it's great to see as many people here as there are because, being able to talk to people firsthand and show them things and being able to have that dialogue it's how this industry grows. The response that we're getting from customers who are coming here and the delegates that are here is overwhelmingly positive. I mean, they're very interested in MongoDB, they're very interested in what we're doing. They're bringing to us their experiences, they're talking to us about what their problems are and how we can help solve them. So, I think it's a really positive experience for everyone.
It's good to have an event where there's a lot of things going on under one cover, where you've got right the way cloud through to analytics, and you have one tech event that covers all sorts of vendors that cover the whole gamut of what you're looking for as an organisation to support your technology. So you can put as much quality content under one roof as possible. That's got to be a good thing and a day well spent. We've had a steady stream of people to the stand. Well done, organisers, for putting it off.
The response we've had from delegates so far has been very positive. They're very happy that we're here, and we've had some very useful and positive conversations with our customers. This is a great event for people looking at new ideas and new applications for technology. I think the seminars and the keynotes are very important because what they're doing is they're getting the latest thought leadership from many vendors and different perspectives.
Well, I actually went to a talk this morning that I accidentally went to the wrong talk, but it was actually really, really interesting. I was interested in kind of data sharing and how we can improve that for businesses, which is something we're interested in from the Office for AI. And it was a really fascinating talk. It's really important to come here and connect with others.
Not been a minute throughout the day where every corner of the stand's actually not had people on there having some very good conversations. People are interested in what the next gen technology is going to be because they want to put the bet on to secure their own businesses and jobs. So in the first few hours we've generated more leads and it took us 2 or 3 months to generate that amount of pipeline, so definitely a good investment. Well, you're going to find every technology that's available in the world in one place. You need to come here.